Corona period teaches us online utility.
This plays an important role in our life.
We have gossips, we have learning.
Like miracle.
Fun to have these online classes.
It's never stopped.
Never mandatory to join practically classes.
The thing that is important to you is important to us.
Quiz number 1.
Now talking about the latest updates.
We have already spoken about vision.
I welcome you all once again to another session of our Inner Circle Meet.
We have gossips, we have learning. So it is really a very fun to have these online classes.
I would request now Lakshmi ma'am,
Hi,
Vipin sir,
Hello everyone.
Sudhir sir,
Good evening, everyone.
Harbinder ma'am.
Thank you, Lakshmi.
Prajita ma'am.
Thank you, Miss Vijeshwar.
I want you to learn beyond classroom. Something which is not in the books. Corporate travel is basically business travel. We take care of their visas, the hotel, ticketing. We look after their transfers. They will pick up from the airport.
रसोड़े में कौन था? Don't worry about being correct. Worry about being honest. Is it because those questions were intelligent and these questions aren't? Confidence is all about focusing on your area of interest. सिमरन जल्दी आंसर ना दे दे, पीछे से मंतशा का आंसर ना आ जाए.
Jet Airways coming back. Sarovar Hotel has signed a new property in Aurangabad. Which country has the maximum time zone? France. Country has the maximum spoken languages. So Papua New Guinea has 840 languages. France is a country, they have 89.5 million tourists last year. Qatar is the richest country in the world as world's busiest airport. That's Atlanta.
All of you to make a vision board for yourself. Vision board is something where you put your vision, what you really want to be. She's talking about passion, she's talking about dreams, she's talking about post-traveling. Unless you have a vision, you will not be able to achieve it. Value for time, zero debt, peace of mind, save money, dream car. These are all very good visions.
Anushka, you have written about zero debt.
Your enthusiasm shows that we are on the right track. Why there was no winner? Because we could not choose any. You all have your visions and all your visions are so important. The thing that is important to you is important to us.
If you don't have your goals, you will be lost in the sea. Short term is something which you want to achieve in next 6 to 8 months.
What would you like to learn from us in the next Inner Circle? Any suggestions?
Feel free to ask any question.
And we will see that you get the best from us. My entire screen is full of thumbs ups.
And it's not going to be like a boring classroom session.